Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to do something excited about Traffic Exchange. How excited? It will boost your Traffic Exchange surf time at least 5 times or even faster. It sounds exciting, right? If you are ready for today's exciting video, let's dive in together. But before diving in, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our Smart AI affiliate channel. Then you may not miss any videos like this. If you are Traffic Exchange lovers, then you should like this exciting journey. In case if you are Traffic Exchange newbies, you still can learn something useful to boost your Traffic Exchange surfing experience to next level. If you want to follow along our Traffic Exchange journey, feel free to grab your account in the link description below. No matter you are Traffic Exchange newbies or experts, you may have experience to promote websites or business with Traffic Exchange sites. In general, this kind of websites are called manual Traffic Exchange. For our easy illustration, we simply called it Traffic Exchange. Within Traffic Exchange, members can view other members' websites in rotation. Then when they viewed websites and click the matching icon successfully, they will earn credits. The action of clicking matching icon is to verify members are real human, not bot. Once members earn their credits, they are allowed to assign credits to their websites for promotion. I believe that most of Traffic Exchange users are familiar with this concept very well. For those who want to know how to use Traffic Exchange, you can refer to our previous video for more information. Now we will show you how to surf Traffic Exchange. First we will show you how to surf one Traffic Exchange. Then we will surf 5 Traffic Exchange for demo purpose. Let us surf our first Traffic Exchange, Hungry for Hits. Hungry for Hits is owned by Clara. The theme topic of Hungry for Hits is related to food. If you are foodie, then you will love it very much, as there are different kinds of food showing in rotation daily. Surfing in Hungry for Hits is easy. At the top bar menu, simply click on Surf, then the timer will begin to count down from 8 to 0. In the middle you will see the websites from other members showing in rotation. When the timer finished, then click on the icon matching the one showing on the left. Let us continue this process several times. Then you will know what is surfing activity. If you like the websites from other members, you can save the link or click on it for more information. It depends on your wish, friends. Now we can add more Traffic Exchanges for surfing. As you see, we have 4 more Traffic Exchanges on our browser tabs. Then let us surf them one by one. As today focus is on surfing, so we may not introduce this Traffic Exchange sites one by one. If you have interest, we will have other videos for serving this purpose. As you can see, after we surf one Traffic Exchange, we need to switch to next Traffic Exchange manually. Then click on the matching icon. After that, what we do is to repeat the same process by surfing remaining Traffic Exchanges and clicking the icon matching the icon showing next to the icon list. You can experience this process yourself, then you may know it takes 5 times your original duration if you want to surf all these 5 Traffic Exchange. Let's say if we want to surf 100 websites for each Traffic Exchange. Surfing 5 Traffic Exchanges one by one takes you around 2.5 hours. In case if you want to surf more like 500 websites each, then the total time is approximate 12.5 hours. You may say, Daisy, if I need to take half days to surf, then I don't have enough time to do other stuff. Friends, if you don't mind surfing all day long on Traffic Exchange, then you can stop watching video here and go to surf now. Otherwise, keep on watching, then you will know the secret of getting surfing faster 5 times or even faster. Let's get excited together now. We just showed you how to surf 5 Traffic Exchange one by one. But it really takes us too much time. So are there any methods we can use to surf more faster? Yes, we have. Let us invite him to come out now. What we need to do is adding Camel Tabs extensions to our web browser. For the better user experience, I highly recommended you use Chrome. For Firefox version, it has bugs sometimes. You can try both of these versions to decide yourself. What is Camel Tabs? In short, Camel Tabs is browser extension that it makes us easier to surf many manual Traffic Exchanges sites at the same time without the need of clicking to change tabs ourselves. It will help us to switch the tabs one by one. Let me show you how it looks like and how it works. Now we click on the first traffic exchange, say Hungry for Hits. Click the icon. Then it will switch to second traffic exchange. Click on icon again. It will switch to third traffic exchange. Click next site. It will then switch to fourth traffic exchange. Finally, it will reach to our last traffic exchange. If we click on the icon, then it will go back to our first traffic exchange again. The loop will continue again and again until you stop surfing. By using this technique. For example, let's say you want to surf 100 web pages for each traffic exchange. By leverage camel tabs, we can finish it around 30 minutes instead of 2.5 hours in total. So imagine if you want to surf 500 web pages each, using camel tabs takes us only 2.5 hours instead of 12.5 hours. It is a great time reduction. In fact, camel tabs allows us to surf lots of traffic exchange, but according to my experience, for better performance it is recommended to surf for between 5 to 7 at the same time. Friends, if you want you can try yourself and let me know what is your optimum number for surfing. We can discuss it later. Friends, in this video we meet our new friend called Camel Tabs for Traffic Exchange. If you are heavy traffic exchange surfers, then you can take a look Camel Tabs and try it out. I believe you will love it very soon. It is not only can boost our traffic exchange surfing experience but also have other benefits. If you think this video is useful for traffic exchange, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, then you may not miss any videos like this one. In case you have interest to know more about Camel Tabs, don't miss our next video. We can deeply discuss the options of Camel Tabs and what benefits it can help us in traffic exchange. I'm Daisy. See you all in the next video.